Relational Forms. This is the name of a research area dedicated to modern and contemporary literatures and cultures in Ireland and Britain. We tend to focus on cultural and creative practices defined by transit, transfer, relations indeed, as suggested by our title. This means that when we approach literary texts, we tend to consider how they generate meaning by relating to other texts through translation, for example, taken both as a practice and as a master concept for intercultural relations involving Ireland, Britain, and a series of other cultures. Or, very prominently among our interests, also how texts signify by addressing works of art in other media. Studying how literature has so often extended its imaginative attraction by relating to the other arts, especially the visual arts, has been an important dimension of what we do as a research team. Within the range of our research, Irish culture and literature has always occupied a central position, and that's why we refer in our title to Ireland and Britain rather than the other way round. In part, this comes from our individual trajectories as researchers, but it also reflects our critical interest in considering cultural and imaginative relations from positions that are not dominant, that are not central. This converges with our awareness that our own place of reading as a research venture based in Portugal is characteristically peripheral, but we believe this is critically empowering. It has certainly been productive. Over the years, we have organized a sustained series of conferences, 5 major international events held under the title Relational Forms, and these have alternated with smaller symposia, guest lectures, seminars. And often we host or co-organize events that bind us closely to colleagues elsewhere, as when we hosted the annual conference of the International Association for the Study of Irish Literatures, or when we teamed up with researchers at the University of Vigo and Queen's University Belfast to launch a venture that we called Atlantic Communities, of which we have already held 2 major conferences. Our publications also reflect this activity. The group has regularly put together edited collections on inter-art relations, on translation, on literature and other discourses with an international circulation. They are for us a source of confidence in the continuity and consequence of what we do as a research team.